Changing frame rates on a Red can be time consuming because you have to change the frame rate, frame size, shutter speed. So what you can do is make shortcuts. We are now in a 25 frame rate and we want to make a time lapse. So with one push on the button at 1 frame a second. Or you want to film some slow-mo at 120 frames, you push the preset and it changed to 120 frames and a shutter of 250. This is how we do it. We go to our frame size and we select 4K, for example. We go to our frame rate and take 120 and we change our shutter speed into 250, for example. We go to menu, preset, create a new preset. We go to project, copy all the settings. We give the project a name so it's easy to find back. For example, 4K 120 test. We push OK, create. We go back to our menu, settings, setup, keys, soft keys. We take our fourth soft key and we search for our preset we've just made. There it is. Okay, let's close. And now you see the project is on 25 frames. We go to our preset 4K 120 test and there you go. If you want to shoot back on 25 frames, we don't have to change the frame size, shutter speed and so on. Just one push and ready to shoot. Hope you like it. Thank you.